Hey guys, and welcome back to G's Autos. Thank you so much for joining me. I've owned the Starlet now for just over 5 weeks and managed to put on just over 5,000 kilometres. So that's pretty typical for my day-to-day, week-to-week driving. Now that's given me a good amount of time and kilometres to work out what I want to do with the car in regards to mechanical work and upgrades. So the first upgrade I'm actually going to do to the car are the LED globes. Now the original factory globes, look, they're not the best. It's a 97 model, cars of that era, yellowy light, just not the best. So let's do away with that and upgrade to LEDs. Now the brand of LED I've purchased is LLA, LED Light Bars Australia. Now I had their globes in my daily Corolla. Now I really like this product, very good quality, very good light, and I had no reason to go to another brand. So I've stuck with LLA. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to do an unboxing and we're going to take a look at the product and I'm going to run you through the features. So let's take a look. Alright guys, here is the product in question. The LLA Vanquish product line, LED globes. Now for the Toyota Starlet, they're a H4 globe. Okay, so that single globe handles your low beam and your high beam. There's your product manual, and they throw in some free zip ties just to so you can neaten up all your cabling at the end. Nice little touch, thank you. Now the one of the things I like about this product is that it's just got nice quality connectors. It's just a nice sturdy construction, nice and weighty. You're just getting a quality product, guys. Hopefully you can see that okay. It's a nice blue, that does look very nice. Now here are the globes. Now these are weighty. The entire construction is copper. Now the benefits of copper is that it allows heat to pass through quickly. These are nice and heavy, guys. Beautiful. Really looking forward to getting these in the car. Like I said, I've used these before and been really happy with the results. Now I'm going to run you through some of the highlights package basically for this product. Now they use a Philips LED A-class. Hopefully you can see that okay. Hopefully that's coming out good. Now, each lamp puts out 5,600 lumens. Now, that's not 5,600 combined, that's each globe. And that's just, it's an awesome amount of light. I compared these with other brands and I only found one other brand that came close to these guys. So look, really good quality, guys. I can't stress that enough. Now, your standard colour temperature in daylight is 6,500 Kelvin. Now these produce a light at 6,000 Kelvin, which is very close to standard daylight, and it's very easy on the eye. Now your Ingress protection rating is 68. So no dust, no dirt, no grit, no grime, no water is going to get into any of your connectors or into the globe area. Now your standard operating temperature is -40 to 90 degrees Celsius. So basically no matter where you are in the world, I think these are going to operate A-OK. Now your standard warranty is 2 years. A lot of products these days just offer a standard 12-month warranty, but not with these ones. 2-year warranty, which I think is fantastic. And I had zero issues with my last LED globes, so I had no hesitation in using these again, so I'm really looking forward to getting them in the car. So let's do that now, guys. Let's set them up in the car and then let's do a before and after. So let's do it. Alright, after you've finished installing these, you'll see that you can't fit the weather seal, the little rubber boot, back on. It will need to be modified. I'm just going to cut slits in mine so that way I can feed the heat sinks through and still offer it some protection. So at the moment I don't have anything on there. I'll modify something over the next week or two and that should take care of that. Now we'll do some driving and show you the before and after. A lot of work goes into these in regards to design to make sure that the LED light is going where it needs to go on the reflector, so therefore the light isn't shining out in all silly directions and blinding people in oncoming traffic or pointing off into the wilderness.